of the clients, they use it just for placing a message. We got very funny. Maybe after 1 year, I will show you the top 10. It's gonna be funny, We had a phone call in the U.S. office where a person called and said, "I got this unit yesterday. I paid $5,000 and it does not work." This was the phone call. And then, Dana was saying, can you please tell me your name first? Yeah, my name is Joseph, and it does not work. What do you think? I paid $5,000 for this thing and it does not work. This is the way people complain nowadays. But this is not the way a company can deal with. Because if somebody has a complaint, the first thing we need to know is who is the client, so that we can figure out which kind of unit the person gets delivered, and so on. It took 10 minutes on this phone call to finally figure out his name so that we could look up the order. And the next question was, who was the representative who referred you the system? I have no idea. I don't know the name. This happens, I tell you. We were live on this phone call for 20 minutes. So there was a person who just told my system doesn't work, and I don't know from whom I bought it. But I spent $5,000 for this, just to give you an idea. And we have these phone calls on a daily basis. So that's, on one hand, it's pretty funny. On the other hand, it's probably not, because you see there is some disconnection. In this case, there might be a disconnection between the rep who offered the unit, or finally did the sale, and the person who received the unit. Bottom line was that the client didn't even try to plug it in, because in this case he had no clue how to do it. And this is something which I don't like to hear so much, because at least when a rep refers a PMF device from us to a client, the rep has to make sure that the client is able to set it up and to do the first application. We have a lot of videos on YouTube. We never have enough, of course. People always ask for videos. I said, how many videos do you still want? We have a bunch of videos which you can find how to set it up. We have a website, omnium.com, omnium1.com, where you have the FAQs, where most of the answers with problems are answered. So I would like to encourage you to use these tools a little bit more in order to become more professional. We have a tool. There is a guide for setting up the Omnium One. I think we announced it in the newsletter with the link for download, I think 3 times already. You know what I'm talking about? The Getting Started guide for the Omnium One. I would like to encourage you, get this, and whenever you refer a unit to somebody, send an email to them with a package, with the most important videos, links, which you can find on YouTube, on our channel, with the Getting Started Omnium One guide. Everything is inside. If they also ordered the brainwave entrainment, send them the PDF for the brainwave entrainment. We have a very nice explanation which explains the colors, the frequencies, what it does. You know what I'm talking about, this document we have? Brainwave entrainment. If you don't know, log into your back office, everything is in there. This is the next question, or the next idea. Go to your back office and look what's inside. We have all these statistics. You can see in every currency how much money you earn. By the way, these data are always just in time, with a delay of about 10 minutes. So whenever an order is processed, about every 10 to 15 minutes, our server in Switzerland and Germany, they will be updated. So that the back office talks with our back end from the company. So we have a pretty much just-in-time idea whether your order is processed. Maybe you saw, you are capable of seeing all these orders. Did you check into that?